Hi, my name is Chad. I'm from Queensboro Volkswagen, and today I'll be explaining to you the benefits of performing a factory maintenance oil change. Engine oil is a very important fluid for the vehicle. Not only does it lubricate the engine, but it also keeps it running cold as well. What will happen if you don't properly maintain the vehicle? Metal particles will break down and damage the engine. The main items for an oil change are the engine oil filter, gasket, and drain plug. On this 2021 Tiguan, it utilizes high-performance full synthetic oil. Here at Queensboro Volkswagen, we only use genuine Volkswagen parts. While performing your factory scheduled maintenance here at Queensboro Volkswagen, we also perform a multi-point visual inspection as well as a complimentary battery test just to ensure that your vehicle is at its optimum performance. For more information or to schedule your next service appointment, you can visit us online at queensborovolkswagen.com.